Are you tired of copyright strikes or unsure which license actually protects your videos? Well, you are not alone. I can show you exactly how to change it in about 60 seconds. So here is the plan. I am going to walk you through the exact steps inside YouTube Studio to switch between the standard YouTube license and Creative Commons. By the end of this, you will know exactly which option to pick for every video you upload. All right, let us jump into the desktop version of YouTube Studio, because that is where all the real control lives. When you first log in, you will see that left-hand sidebar menu. I want you to click on Content. That will pull up your entire video library. In my experience, this is the one place where you can manage everything in bulk, so it pays to get comfortable here. Now, find the specific video you want to update. Just click on the thumbnail or the title itself. This opens up the video details page, where you can edit just about everything. This is the same screen you would use to change the description or add cards, so it is a good one to know. Once you are on that edit page, I need you to scroll all the way down to the very bottom. And here's the thing, you might only see the basic settings at first. Look for the button that says Show More. Click that. That expands the hidden options, and trust me, the license setting is one of the things hiding in there. I have seen a lot of creators miss this step and get frustrated, so definitely do not skip it. Now, pay attention to this one. Under the license section, you will see a drop-down menu. This is where the decision happens. You have two choices. The standard YouTube license is the default. That means you are keeping full control of your video. No one else can use it without your permission. It is the safe, standard option for most of your content. The other choice is Creative Commons Attribution. That allows other creators to reuse and remix your video as long as they give you credit. I personally use this for tutorials or public domain style content, where I want it to spread. But if you are worried about someone repurposing your work without asking, then stick with the standard license. Once you have made your choice from that dropdown, the last step is simple. Look up to the top right corner of the screen and click the blue Save button. That applies the change immediately. It might take a moment to process, but that is it. You are all set. So now you know. Next time you upload a video, you can make that choice with confidence instead of just leaving it on default and hoping for the best. As a creator who has navigated these settings hundreds of times, I promise you, getting this right saves you headaches down the road. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.